Good day, guys. Welcome to my page. My name is Maureen. I'm a mother of two beautiful children, and I own a beauty and skincare business. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Merkur Futur Adjustable Safety Razor, Chrome Finish, MK700 1001, which shaves with only a light touch. This product is for you if you have curly hair, a thick mustache, an irregular beard distribution, and sensitive skin and need a close shave without shaving bumps. The Merkur Futur Adjustable Safety Razor has a long handle that gives those with larger hands or prefer the feel of a longer razor plenty of space. For the ideal shave, there are 6 stages of adjustment. There are 4 models to choose from, as shown below. 1. 780M model, 4-piece set. Merkur's Futur 4-piece shaving kit includes the Futur razor, a silver-tip badger shaving brush, a frosted glass shaving tray, and a stand to keep it together. The whole set has a matte silver finish. 2. 781C model, 4-piece set. Merkur's Futur 4-piece shaving kit includes the Futur razor, a silver-tip badger shaving brush, a frosted glass shaving tray, and a stand to keep it together. Chrome silver is used in the package. 3. The 750M model, 3-piece set. Merkur's Futur 3-piece shaving kit includes the Futur razor, a silver-tip badger shaving pad, and a stand to keep it together. The whole set has a matte silver finish. 4. 751C model, 3-piece set. Merkur's Futur 3-piece shaving kit includes the Futur razor, a silver-tip badger shaving pad, and a stand to keep it together. Chrome silver is used in the package. How to make use of 1. Apply a lather. 2. Use a 30-degree angle to hold the razor. 3. When shaving, let the razor's weight do the job. Advantages: adjustable safety razors have a dial for adjusting the blade distance, allowing you to fine-tune the blade gap. What I like most about the Merkur Futur safety blade is the quality of the design. It's very hard, and there's no rattling to speak of. The chrome model's mirror finish is immaculate and almost too sweet to use. It's extremely simple to swap out blades and disassemble the handle. Shave your head. When it comes to choosing a safety razor, there are just a few things to consider. A. Blade angle, exposure, and distance. B. The weight and form of the handle. C. The toughness of the handle. The Merkur Futur safety blade meets all requirements. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's slick because there's no knurling on the handle, and the top bar of the razor is too wide, making shaving under the nose difficult for people with shallow noses. How far does it set you back? Merkur Futur Adjustable Safety Razor costs $72.20, which is reasonable for a device that shaves so well, prevents shaving bumps and accommodates various skin types. In conclusion, the Merkur Futur Adjustable Safety Razor provides an exceptional shave. It is aggressive in the sense that it exposes more blade to your face. But if you know how to shave correctly, that's a positive thing. With more blade exposed, a really light touch is all it takes to get a very close shave. This razor comes highly recommended, and you can get it by clicking the link in the video description. Please be aware that if you purchase anything through our connection, we will receive a small commission. It has no effect on the price, but it does help to support the work we do here. So, if this video was helpful to you and you'd like to repay the favor, this is a perfect way to do so, and we greatly appreciate it. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.